This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the graduation Easel card. So you can see here I've got the base. Now, and this can be just a normal card too if you don't want to make it the Easel. You just will glue your front flat on this instead of folding it here. But you're going to fold this here on the score lines. We have our stopper, which is the diploma. And I'm going to go ahead and just attach this piece to it. And apply my foam tape, because then this piece will be finished. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to work on the robe. I got a little bit heavy-handed there with my white ink. I wanted to make sure that it stands out a little bit, but okay, so you put the front on, then you have your sash. And you have two cords, so you can use what you need. Okay. And then we have the hat, and I think I want to use some dimensional tape on the hat. Oh. And there is a small circle to put here on the end of the hat, on the end of the tassel. It's right there. Okay, then we're going to take this here to the card, and we are going to, now there is a slight border, okay, around this, and we're just going to glue this bottom half to the card. So I'm just going to put one swipe of glue there across the sleeve. And again, there is just a slight border, just like that. And then we'll put the diploma right up, just right at where the sleeves are. There we are. Very quick and easy card here. And this is an A2 card. It is the graduation Easel card. Thank you for joining me.